Hey guys, real short video to show you that I just gave my hen a bath. She's had a problem with, they call it pasty butt, but it's their vent kind of gets dirty and anyway, I soaked her in some nice cool Epsom salt and had gloves on, of course, and wiped her vent, and now she's just relaxing in that nice cool water. So, oh, there she goes. I bet she feels real good. If you can see her bottom there, it looks nasty, but that's not all poop. That's just a bunch of now wet feathers. That's how the feathers look when they get all wet, and then she'll prune herself and they'll fluff back out, but that's what you gotta do sometimes with the chickens when they get that pasty butt. And I'm just hoping that she's not egg bound. Finally this morning when I went out early to let him out, there was an egg. The thing is I don't know who laid it, if it's one of my adult hens or one of those babies. I'm not sure who laid it. Well, I don't know. Never mind being sure. I just have no idea because I wasn't there when the egg was laid. But that hen will be feeling better later on today. I'm sure she feels better already, being soaked in that cool Epsom salt water and being wiped. Like I say, it looks nasty now, but that is not poop. It's just wet feathers. And now I'm gonna clean out and disinfect that thing I had her soaking in. But they're pruning themselves, as you can see, and the other ones are in that shade with Abner. But I just thought I'd show you how comfortable she was soaking. These babies, they should be starting to lay eggs now because they were born in May. Aren't those silkies cute with all that fur and fur on their feet? Okay, this is just a short video again about the chickens. Have a good day.